So in today's video, I will show you how to add captions to your Instagram stories. This is a free way how you can do this, and you can do on your Instagram app. So what you need to do first is come here on this plus icon on your homepage, select a video, and now click on this sticker icon and click here on captions. Just wait this. Okay, now we can delete this and come here on your stories, add this video again, and now you can search here for captions. And now you added captions to your Instagram stories. You can choose the size of it and everything else. So if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.